Well, mother's like, y'all look at the time. Look at the time after 11, y'all. I was so relaxed in bed. Look at me. I had to get up out of bed because I remember that we had a appointment to get our clothes washed in the morning. Okay. So look at me trying to get these clothes together. I was going to pack my child's father clothes, but I can't do it. I can't do it. Child, his clothes be having me sneezing, child. I check on my pants for money, cause child, you know, it's have little things inside there, one little dollar or two inside there, and child, please, let me tell you, you just see me looking at my panties over and over and over again in this video. I thinking like, what the fuck? Why my panties are staying up? Like, what I been fucking doing? But y'all, that was bad lighting, cause I know big woman like me. Look at me looking. Ain't no panties staying up now. I know I look like a hot mess, but excuse me, child. It is what it fucking is. You know, look at my baby in the back there. 11 o'clock eating pizza. 11 o'clock, mommy, I want pizza. I had to give her some pizza. And you know what? Now we'll let the child eat in the bed, okay? Only because I know these sheep to get washed in the morning. But anyways, look. Playing up with the food. But anyways, I said, anyways, let me just get a child dress. You know, get a dress for the weather. Y'all, she done bathe and thing. Babe, we done bathe, alright? Y'all relax. I just putting on a night clothes, you see? And y'all don't watch my tummy hanging out like that, okay? I still working. I still working on that. Y'all leave me alone, okay? Anyways, and this little girl doing the most. Y'all watch my baby for me. Watch her for me till I go get up on it. I go and reach around the corner and get up on it. Yeah. Watch her play inside this bed for a little while, y'all. Okay, we back with the bonnet, and she don't like this thing on her head. She don't like this shit on her head, but it is what it is. She has to put it on. Put these clothes in the living room. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Ciao. Good morning, you guys. Anyways, so it's the next day. I'm taking this dirty sheet off the bed. Yeah, and I'm looking like a hot mess again this morning, but it's okay. It's fine. Okay, put it inside the dirty bag. Yeah, and we all packed up and ready to go for the laundry service. People will come. Yeah. Anyways, so yeah, so. Here's my baby. Say good morning. Good morning. Anyway, so she broke a glass on the floor. So her father is cleaning it up. And he also cooked some corned beef and grits. And yeah, y'all see how we had a plate with the friends from eating the corned beef and grits in over the grits? Yeah. And y'all don't say nothing about my pots, okay? Because I sure one or two or some pots like that inside the house. Yeah. Anyway, so the laundry people has arrived. They're taking the clothes out now. Gang. Anyways, y'all, so let's get to this kitchen, okay? Because unfortunately, my child's father don't believe in cleaning and cooking at the same time. So, yeah, so I'll wash the dishes because he cooked. So, whatever. So y'all let me know if y'all use bleach on your dishes. Because if y'all ain't using bleach, what the fuck y'all doing? Okay? I'm a bleach girly. Bleach, everything. Anyways, so I'm about to open up the window because it started to get hot in that kitchen, okay? We don't have no windows in that bitch. So, yeah. So back to these dishes. If y'all ain't using bleach, what the fuck y'all doing? Because some people don't believe in using bleach. I don't know why. I just don't know why. But I love the smell of bleach. I love everything about bleach. My child's father always telling me like I overuse the bleach. But anyways, the kitchen is done, bomb. So we decided to go on the beach, and our time got cut short because the washing service called us and tell us they were on their way. Y'all see how beautiful the water looked? I'm drinking some collect, y'all. Yes, sir. Anyways, so we're back home. Clothes is back. Smelling good. Looking good. Yeah, fold up neat. I'm looking for something for my baby to wear. And y'all know, listen to me, these clothes can get put up until the next day. No, sir.